Hey guys, can you assemble a beasty monster PC like me on this wooden frame? So what exactly you need? This monster graphics card, the RX 5700 and the RX 578 GB, and what the other components you do really need. So here is the processor which you require to assemble a monster PC, and the solid state device which is very much essential. Right now this is the key thing to provide you the high speed data transfer. Besides that, there are lots of things. The monster smps, this one is the 1300 watt antec smps which I'm using right now with my Biostar TV250 motherboard. So I'm going to release a detailed video in which I will give you the everything from start to end, how you're going to assemble a monster PC on wooden frame like this.